Hey everyone, welcome back to Handmade. We're the Crafty Lumberjacks.
You know more.
Sorry. Hey everyone, welcome back to Handmade. Oh God, okay.
You take them.
Hey everyone, we're the Crafty Lumberjacks. Welcome back to Handmade.
You know, more and more people want to know what's inside the products that they're putting on their bodies.
That's right, and we've been making our own DIY products like our foaming hand soap and our laundry detergent.
So today we're going to be creating our own beard balm.
Yes, let's get started.
So we're gonna be making our own beard balm, and a beard balm is great because it helps moisturize your beard. It also prevents rashes and itchiness.
Yep, and it also helps stylize your beard. It also helps style your beard. We like to do it at least once a day, usually
Sometimes
in the morning
twice.
after we get out of the shower. Yeah, so. Now, if you remember our DIY cologne or our vegan lotion bars, it's a very similar process to that. You'd be surprised how few ingredients you actually need to make your own beard balm. For this, we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of carnauba wax, 2 tablespoons of cocoa butter, 3 tablespoons of shea butter,
And 2.5 tablespoons of jojoba oil. Jojoba.
bless you.
Thank you. Jojoba. Of jojoba oil.
And this is gonna give us enough for 2 2-ounce tins. The great thing about this is you can make it in bulk and give them out as gifts.
Yep, and these actually last longer than the products that you would buy in the store.
Absolutely.
Yep, so we're gonna start with the double broiler here. We have some water in the bottom of our pot.
Yes.
And we're gonna start to melt down all of our ingredients right here in the pot.
Now, if you don't have a double boiler, don't worry, you can take a pot and then take a glass bowl and put it right on top. A double boiler is important because you want to heat this up low and slow.
Yeah, you don't wanna let it come to a boil. And then 2.5 teaspoons. I'm just gonna kinda eyeball this.
Yeah.
This is great too because a lot of people never know what to get a dude for a gift for the holidays.
Yeah.
You know, and this is perfect. If you know someone who has a beard, try this.
Yeah, absolutely. Whenever someone gives me anything beard related, I'm thrilled. Actually, I feel like every year I get you something beard related because I just don't know what else to get you.
Wow.
It's come to that.
Yeah.
So,
Jojoba.
jojoba.
All right, it looks pretty good. All of our ingredients are melted down.
Yep.
We're gonna pour it into our tin here, but before we do that, we wanna take it off the heat and we're gonna add some essential oils. That's
Yes.
another great part about creating your own. You can create your own scent.
Absolutely. We're gonna be using grapefruit.
Excuse you.
We're gonna be using grapefruit and sandalwood.
Yes.
Together, they smell really good. Oh, actually, that's cedarwood. Woo. Okay.
You can't take this guy anywhere.
Grapefruit and cedarwood. All right, so we're gonna start adding our essential oils. I'm gonna do about 8 drops of each. Is it good?
Is it going?
I don't know. Oh, yeah. Is it going? We're gonna pretend. Oh, okay.
Oh God. Can't take this guy anywhere. All right, we're gonna give that a little stir
Yeah.
and then we can pour it right in. Look, you can see it's already starting to harden, so yeah, you do want to work quickly.
Our beard balm is solidifying. Now we're going to make a personalized pouch by stenciling this cute pair of scissors on it. I'm gonna cut this image out of freezer paper. I printed it right on. Now you can buy freezer paper at the supermarket in a roll, or you can buy it online that's already pre-cut printer size like we did. And it makes it really nice and easy.
You may be wondering, what is freezer paper? Freezer paper is something that you use for your food in the freezer. It protects it from frostbite, frost burn. It has a plastic backing, which is actually gonna allow us to iron on the stencil right onto our pouch here, and it's gonna give us a nice clean line once we start stenciling and painting.
If you're having some trouble with your curves as you're cutting with a craft knife, try turning the paper. It makes it a lot easier, and go as slow as you can. Really don't rush it, just take your time. Now, there's this little detail in the scissors, this little hole right here. Instead of trying to cut that out, I'm just gonna use a hole punch. That's gonna make it a lot easier. I would not be able to cut a nice clean circle that small.
Andrew did a great job cutting out the stencil here. Now we're gonna iron it right to our pouch here and add on all the little details. All right, we have our stencil ironed onto our pouch here, and now we're gonna paint.
Before we do that, we're just gonna slide a piece of paper right in the pouch. That's just gonna prevent any bleeding that might happen as I stencil. And we have some fabric paint here, and the tip for stenciling on fabric, and really the tip for stenciling on anything, is to dab your paintbrush in, but then dab off the excess paint. You really
less
wanna-
is more.
Less is more.
Yeah, stenciling is a dry brush technique.
It sure is.
All right, it looks pretty good, and we think it's dry, so we're gonna peel off our freezer paper here and see how it came out.
Big reveal.
Cute,
Pretty
cute.
good, pretty good.
Get the little details here. Oh my gosh,
Oh,
so cute, like a vintage barber shop.
yes, that's what I was going for.
So cute.
So cute. Look at that.
Our beard balm is all set,
Yes.
ready to go. We thought it'd be fun to add a little detail with a sticker. We printed these online, and they're the perfect size for our tins. And then if you want to give this as a gift, you can pair it with a pair of scissors or a beard brush or a comb, and it's a perfect little travel kit.
I would love this as a gift to myself.
Now I know what to get you.
Great.
And we made our own beard balm of jojoba oil. We made our own beard balm, and we know exactly what's in it.
I love it. Let me smell it. Smells good.
Can't take this guy anywhere.
Very cool. I
it.
love
This
these.
would be a good Father's Day gift too.
Oh yeah, that's true. So we've made our own cologne, soap, detergent, hand lotion bars.
Yes, let us know in a comment below what you want to see us make next.
Yes.
Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.